What if you could accelerate your 3D printing innovation goals and lower the cost of their execution, all while shortening time to market? Starting this October, you can. AM Systems is one of the world's leading institutes innovating 3D printing solutions for the industry. We help your company get access to state-of-the-art technology in the areas of next-generation 3D printing systems and scaling up 3D printing processes for commercial deployments. The Dutch government and the European Union believe that new technology and open innovation creates the most prosperity for all, and invite you to learn how their subsidized R&D programs can save you 50% or more on the cost of your company's 3D innovation activities. Learn how AM Systems shares with you the risks, time, and costs involved in technology development while accelerating your development speeds, enabling you to leapfrog the innovation projects of your dreams. This October, you are invited to join us in either Boston or San Francisco to meet the players behind AM Systems and the Dutch government officials who are making these innovations possible. Register today to learn how you can take advantage of this unique opportunity. See how you can be the one to help your company achieve under budget and ahead of schedule what others can only imagine.